that's in a response to what's been expressed as a lack of public funding from what the governor lawmakers. Can you just tell me more about why it's being privately funded? Because I'm sure these families might feel that, it should be a government initiative.
Absolutely. And when you're looking at that issue, for Shelter Oklahoma Schools perspective, the legislature doesn't meet again until February. We saw on the group that can speak on behalf of Shelter Oklahoma Schools, no reason to wait. You also have to look at the total cost. You're looking at the neighborhood of $1 billion for every school in Oklahoma. The idea that this solution is simple makes no sense to me. This is a complex solution that's going to take federal funds. It's going to take some state issues. It's going to take school bonding capacity. Maybe we need to make some changes there. And then we have the private sector who's jumped in and said, maybe we can do it better. And maybe we can have this opportunity. That's what Shelter Oklahoma Schools is about. I can put on my state rep hat and talk about the other issues, but that's what we're doing and what we're doing here today.
Where'd you get the $1 billion figure? Just
1,600, I'm doing 16, you just do the math, 1,600 times about 400,000. You can check my math on where we're coming at, but that's 1,600 times 400,000. Now, that number, by the way, assumes a government mandate. Through the help through some of these parents, we've already come up with several cheaper ways to put in these storm shelters. As a matter of fact, our organization is already working with the Western Heights School District. We're working with the Moore School District, and I've got 2 calls from 2 other school districts as to what that have reached out to us. Because remember, we have over $2 million ready to spend, ready to give to somebody, so we can start moving this forward. So we're still looking for more innovative ways and innovative solutions, and I'm excited about the prospect of this organization being on the forefront of that. Any other questions?
Can you just give me background on the government mandate? What would that even look like if it were to go ahead?
I couldn't, because the problem, what you're looking at any type of a mandate at this point, I couldn't give you any background on what that would look like. You're going to have to, we've got the legislative interim study that's coming up where a lot of these issues are going to start to be studied. But right now, I don't think the opinion of this group and the opinion of Shelter Oklahoma Schools is that what we need to do is do nothing until the government does something.
What kind of timeline are you looking at for these 2 schools to be rebuilt?
Which 2 schools are you talking about?
Plaza Tower and Briarwood.
That'd be totally up to the school board. Yeah, we have nothing to do with when they rebuild the schools. That's a good question though for them.
Actually, I would like to give the families an opportunity to say something. I can't go to the event just due to my deadline tonight.
You're welcome to talk to any of them afterwards, but we've made a commitment to the families. We're not going to stick them in front of this entire group. So that was kind of why we made. But if you have a desire to talk to any individual family member, kind of respecting some boundary issues, many of them I think will want to talk. I mean, that's my strong opinion. Any other questions? Thank you so much, and I appreciate you coming today.